Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Life with Erica. I am Erica. Today we're going to do my Ipsy unboxing. I've had it since the beginning of the month, but I haven't used it. I want to say when I picked things, it was like $200 value. It has the little glow your soul member perks. It tells you, and then it tells you like it's got all these things on it. Can't remember what I have, but we will look at it. Let's see. First thing in here. Oh, first things first. This box is like, I want to say it's like $30 that comes out of my checking account, or $32. So it's around there. And you do get your money back. The first thing I have in here is the Ren Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream by Ren Skincare. It's a full size, and it says that this is $54, so there's your value back. Okay, this is supposed to lightweight gel cream formulated to hydrate and brighten with vitamin C and magnesium to smooth, energize the look of skin. Visibly plumper skin with more even tone, texture, luminosity, glow, supercharged for radiant. Sounds good. I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is my favorite skincare. Alright, the next thing I see in here is Half Caked Instant Crush. Oh, I picked these. I couldn't figure out anything else. There was really not that great of choices, but these seemed very interesting to me. They're little lip glosses. I'm not going to open both. I might open one and give the other one away in a giveaway, but I can't remember how much these were. Yeah, I can't remember. So we already got the value of our box. I'll look it up. Okay, Gold Fatten MD Doctor's Problem Dull Complexion Solution Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliation. Ruby Crystal's hyaluronic acid seaweed extract daily facial exfoliator adds hydration and removes dead skin to reveal brighter, radiant, healthy looking skin. Helps buff and remove dead skin. Improves appearance of skin tone. Reduces appearance of pore size and lines. Doesn't say. I think I picked that though. Oh my gosh. It's right there. So from here down is all you get. I can't make this up. I didn't know that until, because it feels heavy. But I mean, that's okay. 3 fluid ounces, and it's heavy. But I don't know if y'all could see that. But it's right here. That's crazy. I always wondered what people meant when they're like, oh my gosh, I didn't even full. Now I know. Okay, the next thing, the Real Her Hold On to Your Dream Probiotic Setting Spray. Do not get an eye. Shake well before use. Shake before use. After makeup application, hold bottle 8 to 10 inches from face. Keep eyes and mouth closed. Okay, it doesn't say. It's just probiotic setting spray. Okay, it's probably like $30. All right, the last thing in here is Laura Mercier. Aren't you supposed to get like 2 things off of this little piece right here? That's weird. Okay, because I had 2 power picks, but I am not sure. Okay, well, I got a Caviar Stick Eye Color by Laura Mercier. I did pick this, I believe. It says Kiss from a Rose, but I've been trying to see if I would like these little stick eyeshadows. So, let's see. Oh, I do like that color. Huh. I do like that. It's very pretty. Alright. Oh, don't put it back in the box. I only put stuff back in the box that I didn't touch with my skin. So, I mean, overall, this is a good box to get if you have the money. Because, like I said, sometimes there isn't real good picks. I do like that Ipsy lets you pick the stuff. And Boxycharm didn't used to let you pick everything. I think you got to pick 2 things and they picked the rest. But I like that you can pick 3 things and they pick 2 things for you, because then you get more of what you actually want if they have good choices. But sometimes I pick, I'm like, you know what? I have enough skincare. I have enough this. Let me pick this and I'll put it in giveaway. So, yeah, that's really pretty. Anyways, I love y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Talk to you later.